Salam everyone. UBM is now also having its own UBM WhatsApp channel. The theme for this year is Equip. And with that theme, we want to reach out to all our congregation members. We want to stay connected with you. And we want to grow in faith, grow together, as Peter writes, grow in the grace and knowledge of Jesus Christ. While we equip and while we grow together, the next step is to serve. So let's come together and serve this great God Almighty whom we believe in, who is an awesome creator, the lover of our soul, the one who died for us. Let's come and glorify this great God, Jesus Christ. Stay connected, stay inspired. Join our WhatsApp channel today.